Now let us solve the 4 marks questions of section D of set 1 mathematics basic question paper. If you have any doubts, please put it in the comment box and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel. Now let me solve 32nd question. There are two questions. You can solve any one of these. Solve the following pair of linear equations by graphical method is the first one. 2x plus y is equal to 9, x minus 2y is equal to 2. Now the given equations are 2x plus y is equal to 9, x minus 2y is equal to 2. Now let us put a table of values for x and y for the first equation. If you put small values for x like 1 or 0, you will get y the bigger values. So let me put x is equal to 2, then 2 into 2, 4 here, plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 5, sorry, it is 5. Okay, if x is equal to 3, 2 into 3, 6, 6 plus y is equal to 9, y is also is equal to 3. If x is equal to 4, 2 into 4, 8 plus y is equal to 9. So y is equal to 9 minus 8, that is equal to 1. Now let us put a table of values for the second equation for x and y. If x is equal to negative of 2, here be careful to put even values for x, otherwise you will get fractions for the values of y. X is equal to negative of 2, what will you get? Y is equal to negative of 2. Negative of 2y is equal to 2 plus 2, that is 4. So y is equal to 4 by negative of 2, that is equal to negative of 2. If x is equal to 2, y is equal to 0. If x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. Here itself you can tell that the graphs cut 4 and 1 at the point 4, 1. Now let us take a graph sheet and put x and y axes like this, because we have also negative values. Keep space for negative values. The scale is x-axis is 1 centimeter means 1 unit. Y is also y-axis also 1 centimeter is equal to 1 unit. Now let us mark the ordered pairs for the first equation. 2, 5. This is 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So mark 2, 5, 3, 3. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Here it comes. Now 4, 1, here it comes. Now join the points by a straight line which represents the first equation. 2x plus y is equal to 9. Now negative of 2, 2, 2, 0, 4, 1. Let us mark the points and join the points by a straight line which represents the equation x minus 2y is equal to 2. As said earlier, the two lines cut x is equal to 4 and y is equal to 1. So x is equal to 4, y is equal to 1. Now let us solve 32nd B. Nidhi received simple interest of 1200 rupees when invested rupees x at 6% annum and rupees y at 5% per annum for 1 year. Had she invested rupees X at 3% per annum and Y at 8% per annum for that year, she would have received simple interest of 1,260. Find the values of X and Y. Now, simple interest on rupees X at 6% per annum for 1 year. We know that simple interest is equal to PTR by 100. X into 6 into 1 by 100, that is equal to 3x by 50. We can keep it like this also, 6x by 100. No need to simplify. SI on rupees Y at 5% per annum for 1 year. Same formula, PTR by 100, which is equal to Y by 20. We can also keep it like that. Only no need to simplify this one. Now we have, according to the given problem, 3x by 50 plus y by 20 is equal to 1200. Now let us take LCM, that is 100. That's why I have told you need not simplify it. 6x plus 5y by 100 is equal to 1200. It implies that 100 goes here. How many zeros we have to put? 4 zeros. Okay. Now let us have the equations for the second situation. X at 3% per annum means PTR by 100. 3x by 100. SI on 8% y for 1 year. How much? 8y by 100. According to the given condition, what happens? 3x by 100 plus 8y by 100 is equal to 1260 rupees totally. It implies that 100 is the LCM, 3x plus 8y in the numerator is equal to 1260. So 3x plus 8y is equal to how much? 126,000. Now we have two equations, equation number 1 and equation number 2. If we multiply second equation by how much? 2, we will get 6x plus 16y is equal to 252,000. Let this be equation number 3. Equation number 2 minus equation number 3. We have to change the second sign of the second equation. 6x and 6x get cancels. 16y minus 5y, that is a negative of 11y. 252,000 minus how much? 120,000. How much will you get? Negative of 132,000. So y is equal to how much? You have to divide, isn't it? 11 12s are 132. Means 12,000. We got the value of y. So put the value of y in equation 1. What will you get? Like this. 6x plus 60,000 is equal to how much? 120,000. So 6x is equal to 120,000 minus 60,000. What will you get? X is equal to 60,000. X is equal to 10,000. So value of X is rupees 10,000. Value of Y is equal to rupees 12,000. Now let us solve the question number 33rd. There are two questions in the 33rd question, A and B. In B, there are still three more questions are there. So now let us solve the 33rd, 8th question. The given figure shows a circle with center O. This is center, it is O. Radius 4 centimeter. This 4 centimeter. Circumscribed by the triangle ABC. BC touches the circle at D such that BD is 6 cm, DC is 10 cm. Find the length of AE. Now we are given triangle ABC to circumscribe a circle of radius 4 cm. From the diagram, we know that BD is equal to 6 cm, CD is 10 cm. Let AE is equal to AF, that is equal to X centimeter. The lengths of the tangents drawn from an external point to a circle are equal. AF is equal to AE because they are the tangents from the external point A. CD is equal to CE. This is CE, that is 10 centimeter tangents from the point C. BD is equal to BF, that is also is equal to 6 centimeter because they are the tangents from the external point B. Using Heron's formula, area of the triangle is equal to square root of S into S minus A into S minus B into S minus C, where S is equal to half into A plus B plus C. I will go on substituting the values. If you have any doubt, please put your doubt in the comment box. So the area of triangle ABC is equal to square root of x plus 16 into x into 6 into 10. Now area of triangle ABC is also is equal to area of triangle AOC plus area of triangle AOB plus area of triangle BOC. Area of triangle AOC, I have shaded triangle AOC. Please look at the figure. That is equal to half into 10 plus x into 4 plus area of triangle AOB is equal to half into 6 plus x into 4. Here 4 is the radius because radius is perpendicular to the tangent. Area of triangle BOC is equal to half into 16 into 4. Now let us simplify. That is equal to half into 4 into, because half and 4 is common to all of the things, so I have removed out of the bracket, into 10 plus x plus 6 plus x plus 16. Here you can observe 2 2s are 4. Here 10 plus 6 plus 16, it is 32. X plus x, that is 2x, that is equal to 2 into here 2 is common, 2 into 2 4, here 16 plus x. So now we have 4 into 16 plus x is equal to square root of x plus 16 into x into 6 into 10. Squaring on both sides, 4 plus 16, 4 into 16 plus x the whole square is equal to x plus 16 into x into 6 into 10. 4 square is 16 into 16 plus x the whole square. That is equal to x plus 16 into x into 6 into 10. Here you can cancel this and this. So 16 into 16 plus x is equal to x into 6 into 10. 4 into 16 plus x is equal to, here how much? 10 6 are 60. 4 4s are 4 15s are 60. So 15x. 64 into 64 plus 4x. 4 into x, 4x is equal to 15x. So let us rearrange. 15x minus 4x, that is 11x, is equal to 64. So x is equal to 64 by 11. Now let us solve B section. PA and PB are the tangents drawn to a circle with center O. Look at the figure. If angle AOB is 120 degree, this is 120. OA is 10 centimeter. Find angle OPA, this angle. Find the perimeter of triangle OAP, this one. Find the length of the chord AB. Now let us solve this one. Let us find the angle OPA. Angle AOB is 120, it is given. So angle AOP is 60 degree. This one is 60 degree. Half the angle of AOB. Because angle AOP is equal to half the angle AOB. Angle OAP is how much? Angle OBP, that is equal to 90 degree. Why? A tangent to the circle is perpendicular to the radius through the point of contact. This one is 90 degree, this one is also 90 degree. Look at the figure. So angle OPA is equal to 30 degree because of angle sum property. Means angle 60 degree plus 90 degree plus angle P is equal to 180 degree. By this you can say that angle OPA or angle P is 30 degree. Now let us find the perimeter of triangle OAP. How can we find? In triangle AOP or OAP, both are same. Tan 60, observe the triangle, this one. Tan 60 is equal to, this one is 60 degree, no? So tan theta is opposite by adjacent. Opposite is AP, adjacent is OA. OA is given, that is 10 centimeter. Tan 60 is root 3, that is equal to AP by 10. So AP is equal to, now we have to find all the sides of triangle OAP. OA is given, that is 10 centimeter. AP, now we are finding out. So AP is equal to 10 root 3 centimeter. Cos 60 is equal to, cos ratio is adjacent by hypotenuse. Here adjacent is OA, that is 10 by hypotenuse is OP. Cos 60 is half is equal to 10 by OP. So OP is equal to 20 centimeter. So the perimeter of triangle AOP is equal to OA plus AP plus OP. OA is 10 centimeter, AP is 10 root 3 centimeter, OP is 20 centimeter. Here 10 plus 20, that is 30, plus 10 root 3. Here 10 is common, we can take it outside. 10 into 3 plus root 3 centimeter. So the perimeter of the triangle AOP is 10 into 3 plus root 3 centimeter. Now let us find the length of the chord AB. Right angle triangle AOC, we have to select triangle OAC since the intersecting point, let it be C. This is the new point that we have created. Point is there, named it as C. Triangle OAC, we can find AC here. Sin 60 is AC by 10. This is 60. Sine ratio is opposite by hypotenuse. We have to find AC. Hypotenuse here is OA, that is 10 centimeter. Sin 60 is how much? Root 3 by 2. AC by 10. So 2 ones are 2 5s are. AC is 5 root 3 centimeter. So AB is equal to 2 into AC, that is equal to 2 into 5 root 3, that is 10 root 3 centimeter. Now let us solve the 34th question. The question is, the angles of depression of top and the foot of 9-meter tall building from the top of multi-storied building are 30 degree and 60 degree respectively. Find the height of the multi-storied building and the distance between the two buildings. Use root 3 is equal to 1.73. Now let AB be the building and CD be the multi-storied building as shown in the figure. So now we have the figure. Here observe that AE is parallel to CD. So AE is equal to BD, let it be X. In right angle triangle AEC, observe the figure. Tan 30 is equal to CE by AE. Tan 30 is 1 by root 3, that is equal to CE is H, AE is X. So X is equal to root 3 H meter. Let this be question number 1. In right angle triangle CBD, observe the figure. Tan 60 is equal to CD by BD. So root 3 is equal to H plus 9 by X. So X is equal to H plus 9 by root 3. Let this be equation number 2. So now we have equation number 1, that is X is equal to root 3 H meter, and equation number 2, that is X is equal to H plus 9 by root 3 meter. This is equation number 2. So since LHS is equal to X, RHS should be equal. So root 3H is equal to H plus 9 by root 3. So cross multiply root 3 into root 3, that is 3. 3h is equal to h plus 9. Move this h to this place. Now we have 2h is equal to 9. So h is equal to 4.5 meter. This one is 4.5 meter. So the height of the multi-storied building is 4.5 plus 9, that is equal to 13.5 meter. So now let us calculate the distance between the two buildings, that is BD. BD is equal to AE, that is equal to x. So x is equal to root 3 h meter from equation number 1. Here root 3 we can take it as 1.73, h is 4.5 meter. If we multiply 1.73 and 4.5, we will get what? 7.785 meter. So the distance between the two buildings is what? 7.785 meter. Now let us solve the 35th question, that is find mean and mode of the following data. Data is given. Now let us write class and frequency in vertical columns. Frequency like this. Now let us find the midpoint since we are using here step deviation method. Midpoint xi is 15 to 20. 15 plus 20 is 35. 35 by 2 is 17.5. You can find the midpoints of other class interval either by adding lower and upper class limits divided by 2, or you can go on adding the size of the class interval, that is 5 here, to get the midpoint of the next one. Here let me add 5, you'll get 22.5 plus 5, you'll get 27.5 plus 5, 32.5 plus 5, 37.5 plus 5, 42.5. Now let us assume the mean as 32.5. Now let us add one more column to find ui, that is equal to xi minus a upon h. Here xi is this one minus a assumed mean is 32.5. H is the size of the class interval, that is 5. 17.5 minus 32.5, that is negative of 15 by 5, that is negative of 3. Here negative of 2, negative of 1, 0, 1, 2. Now let us add one more column to include FIUY. Let us find the products of the numbers under this column and under this column. 12 into negative of 3 is negative of 36. 10 into negative of 2 is negative of 20. 15 into negative of 1 is negative of 15. 11 into 0 is 0. 7 into 1 is 7. 5 into 2 is 10. Now let us add the numbers in this column to get summation of Fi, that is 60, and add the numbers under this column to get the summation of FIUI, that is negative of 54. Here mean is equal to a plus summation of fi uy upon summation of fi into h. A is 32.5, summation of fi uy is negative of 54, summation of fi is 60, h is 5. Then we will get 32.5 plus 15, here 5 ones are 5 twelves, minus 54 by 12, that is equal to 4.5. 32.5 minus 4.5, that is equal to 28. So mean is 28. Now let us find the mode. Let us write the class intervals and frequency in the vertical columns like this. Mode formula is L plus F1 minus F0 upon 2F1 minus F0 minus F2. Now let us identify the term. From the table we can observe that maximum class frequency is 15, this one, belonging to the class interval 25 to 30. So L is 25. Modal class is 30, 25 to 30. Lower limit of the modal class is 25. Frequency of the modal class is F1, that is 15. Frequency of the preceding modal class, that is F0, that is 10. Frequency of the class succeeding to the modal class is F2, that is 11. Now let us substitute. The class size is 5. 20 minus 15, that is 5. So now let us substitute the values like this. So mode is equal to 25 plus 15 minus 10, that is 5. 2 into 15, 30, 30 minus 10, 20, 20 minus 11, that is 9, into 5. So mode is equal to 25. 5 5 is 25 by 9, that is equal to 2.78. 25 plus 2.78 is equal to 27.78. So mode is equal to 27.78.